is up, guys? Today the Gaming Pro TV is here, and today thank you for 25 subscribers. And the next time, so April 16, I'm going to school, grade 4, class 4D or 4C. I don't know what. Okay, I just built a nest right here, finished, and I got my Eagle Sky. He's a male, and I'm a male in this game. Okay. I really want to wait the crow. Guys, I'll do the crow in the next video. Because I don't know what the crow eats. Maybe the crow eats worms and anyone. It kills you. Come on. Come on, Sky. Yes, we get it. Beaker. Wow, this game has nice names. Fire Eagle. Man, you stop it, Wolf. Eat a... Come on. Okay, just leave it. We'll kill some animals and eat. First of all, I'm thirsty because water is important. Really guys, important. Now we need to fly above the trees. Where can we see water? There is water. Let's drink water. Sky. There's a fox. Fox. Let's kill the fox. What? Carry him. And throw him. Did you fall? Throw. Yes. You have good fall, idiot. Yeah, now I'm not hungry anymore. Let's go flying. Let's go to our nest. Do something. Guys, I love cockatoos. They are my favorite parrots, actually. Because they can talk, but you need to teach them how to talk. Parrots can talk, but cocktails do not talk or word. But you can teach cocktails how to talk. I'm not pretty sure, because I know little about birds. Our nest is right there. No. Wait, let me check the map. Oh, I'll give you the wrong way. Bizarre, that freaking damn nest here. Yeah, right there. Let's go and sleep. Go down. Now sleep. Sky, where are you? The rain will not stop for once. I want to be morning. Actually. Okay. Done, we wake up. But still raining, what the heck? Where's the storm? I'll show you guys how. If you do know how cockatoo looks, if you do know how a hummingbird looks, they look like this. And owls doesn't look like this in real life, big. They're big, but they're not big as I don't know what. Seagull are also danger. This type of bird is danger. Oh, my favorite animal. I mean bird. Kakato. This is I love it too, and this is too. Yeah, this one. Wait, what the heck? Who changed my color? Okay, let's go back. Let's go hunting. Okay. I'm waiting to unlock the Kakato. Actually, Sky? Sky, where are you? I heard him. Where is he? Yeah, you're right there. Follow me, Sky. We're gonna hunt some noobs down. Okay. Let's get some fish. If we can. Nope, no fish. Actually, man, let's just sit here for a second to do. Yeah. Okay. You know what? I pretty much don't understand why. In real life, they look fast. Ooh, wait. Did you say level 20 lovebird? I do love lovebirds. They're playable bird. They love to play. Or seagull, blue jay, falcon, kakato. Okay. All we need. Okay. Now we need water because we're doing some good stuff in this game, guys. I pretty much, I pretty much hate people that are having bad manners because they're so idiot. I don't know what they have to do, and I hate enemies. I I hate bad people actually who say F words, bad words like that, or A word, B word like that. So don't say. I'm just a children, dude. I will be 10 on June 18th, and I'll get my present. Oh, come on, bears. These bears are very annoying. Should I shout? After eagle. Why are you running? Get back, scary cat. Get it! What the heck is wrong with them? They're very scared of eagles. Are you kidding me? Sky, where did he go? Attack this guy. They aren't fast going, but I'll try my best. Attack the bear. Attack the grizzly bear. Come on! I won't give up until you die. Okay, I just let them run away. Crazy people. I'll be back in a second, guys. Okay, I'm back, guys. Something just went. I just killed a bear. And then went to my nest. There's a falcon. Falcon. Falcon, where's the falcon? Falcon, you're my favorite. Why are you attacking me, dude? So you die. I don't care. We fly above the tree. Above. Now we go down. T2, made it, made it, made it. Okay. Okay, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Thank, thank you for 25 subscribers. And be a good person. Have good manners. Don't say all do wish, dislikes, like that. Bad words. I hate bad people. I love good people. And bye. I'll see you in the next video.